chances are you've seen this over the first 36 hours of packing.
This company was hired specifically to sort trash at large events like this one: hackathons, marathons, music festivals, etc. But here's the problem. These events are required to uphold strict waste diversion agreements, meaning their trash is tracked, and it must be properly sorted into compost, landfill, and recycling. If it isn't, the event organizers can actually be banned from hosting events by the city of San Francisco. Aside from this, the global waste management market spends roughly $2.8 trillion yearly, and an estimated 30% of materials placed in recycling end up contaminated, which is only expected to increase with time. Introducing SmartBin, an automated hardware solution that sorts trash automatically into the correct bins for compost, landfill, and recycling. Using a combination of a servo motor, Arduino Uno, custom designed and 3D printed funnels, and a computer vision YOLO train model, we've developed a system that makes waste sorting more accurate and efficient, reducing the need for manual labor.
So, how does this work? Just 3 simple steps: throw your trash in the chute, SmartBin scans, and the pipe motor directs. SmartBin uses a camera to capture images of waste as it's placed into the system. These images are then processed using a YOLO model running on a Raspberry Pi in real time, which is trained to identify whether an item is compostable, recyclable, or destined for the landfill. YOLO's real-time image recognition helps us classify items quickly and accurately. Once the waste is identified, our Raspberry Pi sends a signal to an Arduino Uno to move a servo motor, rotating a custom-designed 3D printed funnel. This funnel physically guides the waste into the appropriate bin compartment based on the classification.
Our 3D printed funnels were designed specifically for this system, ensuring smooth and efficient movement of the trash to the correct bin. This automation takes the guesswork out of sorting and helps events meet their waste diversion goals without needing to hire extra staff.
With SmartBin, we're offering a practical and sustainable solution to a widespread issue, making waste management at large events simpler, more efficient, and compliant with regulations. Join us in working toward a cleaner tomorrow. Thank you.
Use SmartBin.